How you doing? I'm Trenius, and you're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. How to use powers as a life path number 11. Life path number 11 is the most powerful life path number that there is. Now you also have master number 22 and you have master number 33. But life path number 11, there's something about the life path number 11 unlike all the other life path numbers. First of all, number 11 is 1, magnified. We all know what number 1 means, right? It means first, right? But number 1, magnified, oh man, this is just off the Richter scale when it comes down to life path numbers. You have 2 1s side by side. That's how much power you possess as a life path number 11. Furthermore, life path number 11 is a divine number. It's also known as an angel number. So some of you may be experiencing some of these signs early on your life path journey, or if you're just now finding out that you're a life path number 11. One thing that you must keep in mind about your energy as a life path number 11 is that you are very, very sensitive to energy. This is a good thing. And this also could be a bad thing if you do not know how to control the energy, which I'm going to show you how to do, and you will know how to do by the time this video ends. Okay, so one thing you got to realize is that you are a divine individual, meaning that you're pretty much going to be the spotlight everywhere you go. You know what I mean? Like, you're the light in dark places. Like, when you go around people are going to sense and feel your energy for the simple fact that you have a heightened level of energy. You have a heightened sense of intuition. You can kind of just sense things, and people's spirits, people's consciousness, you know, they can kind of sense that you are different from them. So with that being said, you have to be aware of the fact that you are a sensitive being. You will feel energies that you don't want to feel. That's because you're like a conductor of energy. You can actually transfer energy back out into the atmosphere and make this energy more positive. See, a lot of people, regular people, do not know how to do that, for the simple fact that you have the ability to know the energy is actually existing all around you, and you can feel it, and you can be as sensitive to it, and then you can actually transform this energy back out into something positive. You know what I mean? You can create things being a sensitive individual. So one person asked me in the life path number 11 group, the charismatics, which is at the very bottom in the description section of this video if you want to join the fellow life path number 11s. They asked, well, how do I use this energy to my advantage in creating my dream life or finding my purpose? It's simple, life path number 11. All of the things that you didn't think were cool, but you found out was cool because you found out you were life path number 11. This is where you have to start using these things to your advantage. Now you should be free to be who you know you need to be. You know, the world is full of unique individuals, and your uniqueness is just that much more better than everybody else's uniqueness because you have like supernatural abilities. So you apply this supernaturalness about yourself into your very own life. You know, if you have like a psychic ability to kind of sense things, sometimes go off that hinge and just see where it lands you. You know, if you feel sensitive to people's energy, sometimes just, you know, ponder on that sensitivity. Why do I feel nervous? Why do I feel paranoid? Why do I feel like everybody's looking at me? How can I make this into something positive? What is the universe trying to tell me? Trial and error, trial and error. See, your path as a life path number 11 is just like putting together a puzzle, a 1,000-piece puzzle. You're not going to see the picture that you see on the box right away, but if you keep reconfiguring pieces to the puzzle, you're going to find out how to work this energy of yours. Another way, being a life path number 11, that you can use these energy powers to your advantage is affirmations. Now, we all know that affirmations work, right? So as a life path number 11, all of the energies that you feel around you, you have to build your power up by speaking good things over yourself every time you feel these negative energies. That way, when you feel these negative energies, you know, or these eyes that's looking at you, you will automatically go into like an autopilot mode of knowing that this is for you. This is for you. People are looking to you to tell them where they should go. You know, people need your help to shine a light in their life. People know that you're smart and intelligent, so they really want to like spill all their problems out to you so that you can help them. So affirmations, affirmations, affirmations. I am intuitive. I have supernatural powers. I am energy. I am great. I don't feel any fear. I feel wonderful. I am wonderful. I am a life path number 11. You got to say these things over yourself. The more you say affirmations over yourself as a life path number 11, the more confident you will be in this number. The more confident you will be with using the energy of this divine angel number. Another tip that I have for you as a life path number 11, since you are so sensitive to all the energy in the atmosphere, because you are the conductor of all this energy, and it's your job to make things positive, you know, and change people's lives and make the world a better place. What you can do is get on some type of diet. Like here on the Infamous Living Realm Network, if you're a subscriber, we have just started a vegan diet. We have just started a vegan challenge this month, for the month of March, and it's going quite well. You know, this is my second week, you know, being a vegan, and I can probably say that I feel energetic, you know, and I feel like negative energies don't penetrate me like they used to, because I'm always more happier than I'm worried about negative energies coming into my aura or my being. You understand what I'm saying? So you can probably do the same thing. Go on some type of diet, start eating in moderation, or just become a vegan with us here on the Infamous Living Realm Network and the rest of us Realm team members. Just simply subscribe. I mean, this is only like our 8th day in, folks, so you're not too late. What this does is it help you be more energetic, being that you're a life path number 11. You're going to need all the energy that you can get on your path, folks, because there are going to be a lot of people who come and they know that you have this energy, and they're going to try to take it from you. They're going to try to steal it from you. They're going to try to make you down and out because they don't like the energy that you have, and it's like blinding them, you know what I mean? And a lot of people will try to come steal that, and a lot of people don't like that about you, you know. And so you have to have as much energy as you can on this path. So hey, subscribe, become a vegan. And last but not least, in order to really control your energy powers, being that you're a multi-talented life path number 11, is make sure that you surround yourself with people who are able to cope with you. You know, you don't want to surround yourself with people who are stealing your energy. Once again, you don't want to be around people who don't serve your best interests. You don't want to be around people that make you nervous. You know, you don't want to be around a lot of negative people. You know, people that are doing bad things. People that are always getting in trouble. People that are always gossiping. You know, people that are always seeing a negative side of life. This is a big, big no-no for life path number 11s, because you're filled with all of this positive, radiant energy. It's like mentally draining you to be around people who are not of a good cause. So make sure that you take yourself away from people who don't serve your best interests and who are not positive, and get yourself around people who are positive. So guys, I hope this helped you out as a life path number 11. I hope this energy that you have, I hope you use it to the best of your ability. You're a very special life path number. You're divine. Things happen for you in your favor. Things come to you magically. Yeah, literally magically. I'm pretty sure you've experienced it already. And I just want to say congratulations on finding out you're a life path number 11. Also, if you're a life path number 11 and you want to do some self-help, self-development behind closed doors when I'm not around or something, easy. Just go to the very bottom in the description section. I have a program there called Trenius Transcendence, 5 Steps to Become a Better You. And just simply put your email in, get familiar with the program, and this could help you on your journey to become an even greater life path number 11. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.